Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can set up two column layout in WordPress using Generatepress theme. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I've logged into my WordPress dashboard and this is the theme that I'm using, which is Generatepress. So to set a two column, which is also known as content sidebar layout, you will have to first log into your dashboard. So I'll show you all the steps. Go to your WordPress dashboard and from there go to appearances and go to themes, and under themes you have to look for the theme that is activated, which should be Generatepress, because this tutorial is specifically for Generatepress theme only. And click on customize button over here, and that will open all the customization settings for this theme. And go to layout, and from the layout you will have to go to this fourth option, which is sidebars. You can explore all other options, but for two column layout you will have to go to sidebars. And under sidebars you can see the sidebar layout is only content, no sidebars, and block side layout is also content, no sidebars. Single post sidebar layout is also content, and there are no sidebars that we have set to appear on this side. So we will click on this drop down and select this as content and sidebar. We'll apply the same settings for all these layouts here. So now you can see this layout is split into two. One is the main content main layout, and the other one is the left, which is a right layout, which is also known as sidebar. So once this is done, don't forget to click on publish. Now the best thing about this sidebars is you can customize this and add your own custom code and advertise things. How you can do that, I'll show you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.